Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and that was my cat, Louie. Hi, Louie. He loves to climb on my chair when I'm in here doing things. So today we've got our Allure box, and it is hefty. It's got a lot of weight to it, and I can't wait to open it. But please, I'm going to ask you first to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. It helps me oh so much. I'm on the way to 1,800 subscribers, which is fantastic. One by one, I'm getting up there. Maybe I'll reach 2K this year. That would be fantastic. Or by this, let's say by my birthday, that would be cool. So we're going to unbox this Allure beauty box. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see what is on deck. My little library glasses. My library glasses. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff. And here's a little booklet. It's usually glossy, but now it's just like shiny paper. Instead of glossy paper, it's just like paper. All right, Allure, saving some dollars. It's probably better for the environment than having the glossy. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. No. Wait, just wait. There's some really good stuff in here. This is fantastic. The first thing we're going to talk about today is from Beauty Bakery. It's called the Chosen Bun instead of the Chosen One. They always have bakery puns. And it is a palette. And this is a $24 a month box. And we're getting palettes up in here, y'all. We're getting full-size items up in here, y'all. And it's usually really good stuff. And the Beauty Bakery's formula is really good. And this is a beautiful neutral palette, which has some beautiful coppery color, some shimmers, some mattes. This is gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch it because I have a lot of neutral palettes right now. And this might be great to go into a giveaway, which I will have when we reach 1,800 subscribers. And it's always a fantastic giveaway full of really fancy stuff. But that is beautiful. That is a beautiful palette. And how much is that palette? I like to add up how much things are, see what kind of value we get out of this box. Because, you know, you get full size and you get some really deluxe trial size things in here. Some very nice fancy brands. This is a $38 palette. All right. And it says in your box is one of these. I got to choose between that and a highlighting palette, but I already have that Milk and Honey highlighting palette. While you'll love it, your box is one of these two Beauty Bakery staples. The Milk and Honey Highlight Palette is a 2-time Allure Best of Beauty Award winner for its collection of 4 glimmering versatile powder highlighters. And then the Chosen Bun Eyeshadow Palette is gleaming bronze, brown, and champagne shades, accompanied by 4 perfect matte neutrals, so you get a full assortment of gleaming daytime or dramatic evening looks. So this is great. It's a great start. $38 palette. Great start to this box. I am pumped. I've been loving Allure. Oh, this is what I was tripping over. This is what I was tripping over. This is from Yves Saint Laurent, France de French, and it is the YSL Beauty Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara. Number 1, I love a mascara. Number 2, I love some Yves Saint Laurent. I have some YSL perfumes, and I've not tried their mascaras, so I'm good to go for that. And for the full size, it's $29. And this is 0.6 fluid ounces. And the full size is 0.3 ounces. So let's call this $7. I'm just guessing. But this is great. Let's take a look at it. This would be great for my to-go bag. And it is a beautiful trial size. I'm not going to open it because that starts aging the mascara. But that is beautiful. And I can't wait to try some fancy-ass mascara. What of it? I love it. Next up, we have from the Alba Piedmont Aromatic Spray Serum. A spray serum? What kind of sorcery is this? This is something really cool. I've never seen a spray serum because you know you gotta get your hands all dotted up with little drops. But this sounds cool. While you love it, this fast-acting antidote to indoor heat and cold temps, the things that zap skin of its radiance. This time of year is Alba's refreshing face mist. It feels slightly cool going on. It's packed with natural hydrators like rose water, avocado oil, and sunflower seed oil. And this is full size, and it's $45. That's really good. It's sealed, so I'm going to open it with my scissors. And then I'm going to use my scissors to open it further, because I don't like breaking nails on boxes. I pay too much for my beautiful, shiny, glimmery nails. I don't want to break them. Ooh, and it's mixed up, so you have to shake it to blend it. And I'm going to try this when I take my makeup off. I've already been out and about today. I went to a drag brunch today, and that was pretty fantastic. It was a lot of fun. The food was good. The drag performers were fantastic. I said fantastic twice, but it was so good. So our box is already up to $90 value. And there's still more things in here, which is amazing. Next is another great brand. It's Tula Skincare, the cult classic purifying face cleanser. While you love it, everything about this gel is a notch above the usual facial cleanser. A soft, clean scent is a calming way to bookend your day, and the way it formula foams slightly in water makes it easy to rinse away without being drying. It leaves skin feeling clean and cared for, and helps soothe and softens dry spots with moisturizers like glycerin and safflower seed oil, which is especially welcome this time of year. Plus, the blue bottle looks so pretty in your shower. So this is $34 for 6.7 ounces. Wow, we're already $124 for a $24 box. We are batting 1,000. Allure has just been taking names and kicking ass, and I am here for it. Next, we have a mask, and this is the Sweet Chef Beet and Vitamin A Fresh Press Sheet Mask, developed by the K-Beauty brand Glow Recipe. Sweet Chef is all about products for fine-tuning your skincare routine. The sheets mask mix of beet and retinol helps smooth and soften skin and refine pores, so you're ready for party, selfies, and more. And this is $3.50. So I'm going to call that $4, because I don't want to mess with any change. No change up in here, except my attitude on a daily basis. What? Yes. I'm ridiculous. Sephora Collection Nourishing Moisturizer with Prebiotics. And this is a great sample size. While you love it like whipped cream, yet rich and airy and totally indulgent, this moisturizer is serious enough to soothe winter-weary skin, but somehow manages to feel light going on. The fragrance-free formula, which is fantastic to not have a fragrance, has a pretty dewy finish, and botanical oils, avocado, sunflower, and more to soften skin on the spot. And it's usually $18 for 1.69 ounces. And this does not say how many ounces it is. Oh, it does. 20 milliliters or 0.67 fluid ounces. So I'm going to say that this is like $6. All right. So that is it for the box. This is fantastic this month. I cannot get over it. So what did we get? We got a moisturizer. We got a great face mask. We got a spray serum, which sounds so nice and easy to use. Tula cleanser. Tula is fancy. Then we have the Yves Saint Laurent mascara. And don't forget our Beauty Bakery, the Chosen Bun palette. what a great box. This is better than my Ipsy. It's definitely better than my last month's BoxyCharm, and it's not nearly the amount, but this has got four full-size items, and that's really great because you get 5 in Boxy. This is, watch out, Boxy. Allure is kicking ass and taking names. I want to thank you guys so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.